We're stepping away from the field and into the digital arena, because your PC needs a little game plan too. Imagine Windows 11 as your star quarterback. You keep it updated, it keeps delivering big plays, smoother performance, tighter security, fewer glitches. So here's the play. You're at your desktop, clock's ticking. First move, hit that start button and head into settings, looks like a little gear. Shortcut fans, tap the Windows key plus I, and you're there in an instant. Now we're in the huddle. On the left, scroll if you need to, find Windows Update, and click it. This is the command center, the control room where all the fresh updates line up. Next snap, hit check for updates. Windows connects to Microsoft servers, scans the field, and in a minute or two, you'll see what's available. If updates pop up, you'll see download and install. Click it and let the system go to work. Laptop users, make sure you're plugged in, this is not the time to run out of power. Windows may call for a restart to finish things off. Save your work, hit restart now, and let it cycle through a couple of reboots. When it's back, head to Windows Update again and look for that magic phrase, you're up to date. Because in the game of tech, staying updated is how you stay in contention.